kaya ko.
Amen.
Amen. At ngayon po ay tinatawagan ko po kayo lahat para tumayo. At tayo po ay mag-Bible reading. Tinatawagan ko po si Brother Jerry.
To 20. 13 to 14 to 20. Buksan po natin ang ating mga Biblia sa Matthew chapter 17 verses number 14 to 21. Verse number 14. And when they were come to the multitude, there came to him a certain man, kneeling down to him and saying, The Lord, have mercy on my son, for he is lunatic and sore vexed. For oft times he falleth into the fire and oft into the water. Verse number 6. And I brought him to thy disciples, and they could not cure him. Verse number 17. Then Jesus answered and said, O faithless and perverse generation, how long shall I be with you? How long shall I suffer you? Bring him hither to me. Verse number 18. And Jesus rebuked the devil, and he departed out of him. And the child was cured from that very hour. Verse number 19. Then came the disciples to Jesus apart and said, Why could not we cast him out? Verse number 20. And Jesus said unto them, Because of your unbelief, verily I say unto you, if ye have faith as a grain of mustard seed, ye shall say unto this mountain, Remove hence to yonder place, and it shall remove, and nothing shall be impossible unto you. Last verse. Howbeit this kind goeth not out but by prayer and fasting.
Memory verse mo. Yan lang na. Recite mo na yung memory verse mo. Memory verse ka? Meron ka ng memory verse eh. Recite mo na ngayon. Yan na yung pagkakataon mo. Ha? Ako po.
Amen. At tayo po ay manatili sa pagkakatayo. At itaas naman po natin ang ating mga Biblia. At sabay-sabay po natin banggitin. Ito ang Biblia ko. Salita ito ng Diyos. Pinangahawakan ko ito. Pinanatatag ako nito. Pinagpapala ako nito. Ito ang tanging nakapagsasabi kung sino talaga ako sa paningin ni Kristo. Kung anong mayroon ako sa biyaya ng Diyos at ang lahat ng magagawa ko sa tulong ng ating Panginoon Jesus. Pari na po tayo po.